Most new Fiverr sellers make a huge mistake. They rush into creating gigs without setting up a strong profile. But here is the truth. Your profile is the first impression buyers get about you. And if it does not look professional, they will skip your gig completely. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a professional Fiverr profile that makes buyers trust you immediately. In a moment, I'm going to share my screen and walk you step by step on how to set up a profile so you can land your first order. But before we dive in, do me a quick favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and drop a comment below. It actually helps YouTube know that this video is valuable and it allows me to create more tutorials like this for you. Okay, we are here in our Google. We are here in our Google and our Chrome browser. You can use any of your Chrome browser. We are going to type fiverr.com. Or you can use the link on my description to register so that it will bring you direct to the dashboard immediately. Okay, here we are. So what I'm going to do here, click on become a seller. Look at it here at the top right side. Click on become a seller. Have it in mind that you can also go through this process with your smartphone. So we are here now. Then we are going to scroll down. We're going to scroll down. Then you click on what's your skill, become a seller, and it will open up to this place. Create a new account. Already have an account, you can sign in here. If you have an account already, you can just sign in here. But since you are creating a new account, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to click on continue with Google. They allow you to load. Then you click your Gmail. You click on continue. Okay, as you can see, get your profile started. Add a username that's unique to you. This is how you appear to others. Look at here. It says you can't change your username, so choose wisely. So I'm going to build a name. I have an account already on Fiverr, so if I create multiple accounts, they will automatically plug the both accounts. So I'm going to create an account without my name. You get okay, I've gotten one username. Then I click create my account. The account has been created. I'm now going to go straight to become a seller. You click on become a seller. Okay, ready to start selling on Fiverr. Here is the breakdown. And what makes a successful profile. Cover the do's and don'ts to ensure you are always on the right track. Create your seller profile. Add your profile picture, description and professional information. Create a gig of the service you are offering and start selling. I've made a video on how to create a Fiverr gig that can land you to your own order immediately without wasting time. So if you need the video, here's the video. Click on this link. Okay, I'm a freelancer. You click on I'm a freelancer. You click on next. Complete your Fiverr profile. Create your first gig. Publish it and start selling. You click on complete your Fiverr profile. Then you click on continue. Click on continue. Just take your time and read all this information. I'm just rushing it because I don't want this video to be too long. You click on continue. Alright, look at it here. Personal information. You're going to go through this information. Fill in this space. Your full name, first name, last name, display name. So I'm going to type in my name here. Display name, how you want your name to be displayed. Okay, you can see that I'm choosing Lovely B for me. Your profile picture, add a professional profile picture. It's not just a random profile picture. You're going to look for a profile picture that is professional and have a smiling face. To use the one that that have a good headshots. So you're going to click on it. You click on it. I'm going to choose a profile picture. I don't want this video to be too long. I'm going to make use of this one for the sake of this tutorial. I'm just going to make use of this one. This one is okay. your description. Share a bit about your work experience, cool projects you have completed, and your area of experience. Okay, we are not going to, craft this thing by ourselves. We're going to make use of ChatGPT. So it's going to give us a professional description that will make our profile to rank high. So we're going to go to ChatGPT, give it a prompt. Give me a professional Fiverr description. Okay, before we continue, I believe already you have a skill that you want to offer on Fiverr. Our advice you niche on one skill. Then when others start coming, you can now diversify, going into other skills. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to niche down as a graphic designer. I'm not going to niche down to background remover. So that's the prompt I'm going to give ChatGPT to generate for me. Give me a professional Fiverr description as a graphics designer. Offering background removal as a service on Fiverr. Make it to rank on Fiverr market. I'm going to enter the prompt that allows ChatGPT to craft a professional Fiverr profile for us, description for us. Okay, you can see what is wrote here. Are you looking for a professional background removal service to make your photo look clean, sharp, and ready to use? You are in the right place. I'm a skilled graphic designer with experience in photo editing, image cutout, and background replacement. Whether you need product image for Amazon, eBay, Shopify, or social media, you can see what I offer while choosing me. Perfect for place your order now. Let's make it stand. So we are going to just copy this description now and paste it on our description. We're going to copy it, copy the relevant one. We click on copy, then go back to our profile, click on it and paste it there. Oh, just 600 characters, sorry. So we're going to ask it to make the description for just, let me make it of 550 characters. You enter, then allow it to load. Okay, looking for a professional background remover. I will cleanly cut out your image and deliver high quality result for Amazon. You can see it's talking about the same thing but in a shorter way. So you're going to copy the description again. You're going to copy it, then we're going to highlight this one and paste it here. All right, you can see it here. Our description is ready. Language, you are going to choose language that you can speak. Don't just choose a random languages hoping to do translating on all these things. So you're going to choose English. So language level, they ask you, how do you speak this language? Basic, conversational, fluent, native. So I'm going to choose native because if you have any other language you can speak, you can click on add new, you add more language. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to just click on continue. Click on continue. Professional information, they're asking you your occupation. What did you as a graphic designer? So I'm going to select graphic designing. You can now select skills that you know you can do. Book design, flyer design, image editing. That's for graphic designers. So I'm just going to choose this one, web design, logo design. So if you have any other skill you want to add, you can click on this add new, and you can also add another skill. To bring up this tab here, then you choose another skill. If you have another skill, starting from which year did you start learning it? I'm going to put 2017 to 2025 because I'm still with it. So skill, add a skill. So we are going to type in graphics. Graphic design, experience level, expert. You click add new, image editing, okay, do you get it? Background removal. You click on background removal, experience level, experts. You add. So you are going to keep adding skills related to this background removal. The reason why you need to niche down on this background removal, because you want to have your first order. Like if you have like 5 orders you have completed and you have getting enough reviews, you can now add other skills. But for the sake of this, we're going to niche down to just one skill, so that anyone coming to buy from you will know that this person knows exactly what he or she is doing. It's not a random person on Fiverr looking for jobs to do, but you are here telling them this is your skill. So that's why you are niching down to one skill. That doesn't mean that you don't know how to do flyer, all this book editing, but you're just telling them we focus on background removal so that they can trust us. Education, you can add your education if you have anyone. So you are going to, Nigeria, of course. You're going to add your country, college and university. Whether you went to higher institution or not, just look for a random school and put here. You're not going to add any certificates or any verification to verify whether you went to that school or not. So I'm going to look for a school in here, Nigeria. Let me use Madonna University. Nnamdi Azikiwe University. Let me use Nnamdi Azikiwe University. Title BSc. Major, let me use bachelor degree. Bachelor in arts. Let me use in arts. Yeah, I'm going to put 2016. I click add. If you have more degrees, you can click add and continue. Certificate. In this certificate, if you have any certificate you have completed, like you took a course, online course, or any certificate you have that is related to graphics, you can add it here. But if you don't have any, you can leave it like this, but try as much as you can to get a certificate, because it will make your client to trust you more. So I'm not going to add any certificate on this particular one. A personal website. If you have any website, you can add your website link here. So I'm going to click on continue. Account security. Verify. We verify your phone number. Add your phone number and verify. Okay, we have created a profile. So they're now telling us to create a gig. I've made video on how to create a gig on background removal, and believe me, if you follow that tutorial step by step without skipping it, look at this video here. If you follow that tutorial step by step without skipping it, you are going to land your first order in the space of 1 week to 2 weeks. Even if you have the knowledge or you don't have the knowledge, if you watch that video, you know how to do a background remover even with your smartphone, and you get it very right. So this is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more freelancing tips. See you in the next video.